Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you want to download the official Windows 11 Enterprise LTSC ISO directly from Microsoft, this video will guide you through the entire process step by step. What is Windows 11 Enterprise LTSC? Before we begin, let's quickly understand what LTSC means. LTSC stands for Long-Term Servicing Channel. Unlike the standard version of Windows 11, LTSC is designed for maximum stability. It does not receive yearly feature updates, which means there are fewer changes and less unwanted software. Instead, it receives security and quality updates for several years, making it ideal for businesses, hospitals, ATMs, industrial computers, kiosks, and other systems where stability is more important than getting the latest features. Open your favorite web browser. Go to Microsoft's official website by typing microsoft.com/evalcenter or find link in this video description. You'll now see the Microsoft Evaluation Center. Scroll down until you find Windows 11 Enterprise, click on it. On this page, you'll see multiple download options. Select Download the ISO Windows 11 Enterprise LTSC. Microsoft will ask you to register for a free evaluation. Click Register for your free trial. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, company information if requested, and your country or region. After completing the form, click Download. You'll be taken to the download page. This free evaluation allows you to test Windows 11 Enterprise LTSC for 90 days before activation is required. Choose your preferred language. Select the Enterprise LTSC 64-bit. The ISO file will begin downloading to your computer. Depending on your internet speed, the download may take some time because the file is several gigabytes in size. That's it. You've successfully downloaded the official Windows 11 Enterprise LTSC ISO directly from Microsoft's website. You can now create a bootable USB drive using tools like Rufus or install it in a virtual machine for testing. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Windows tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.